Jeremy Shirazee, Real Mark Urban. Behind me sits 812 square metres of opportunity in an elevated area so sought after, I've informally nicknamed it the Balcatta Hills. Welcome to 17 Canning Street in Balcata. Surrounded by high-end residences, this humble home creates a rare opportunity to secure a significant piece of earth in an otherwise unattainable area. Only 11 kilometres to Perth CBD and 9 kilometres from WA's stunning beaches and sunset coastline, this suburb represents amazing value for its central location and convenience. Whether you renovate this solid brick and tile home, lease it out, or demolish and rebuild, properties like this in positions like this will only become harder to obtain as time goes on. If you're looking for what many would consider a blue chip opportunity, don't let this one pass you by. My name's Jeremy Shirazee from Real Mark Urban. I look forward to working with you soon.